All right, now we're gonna take a walk around the town. So yeah, we're gonna go do that now. The Butler Did It Antiques. Look at that. Wow. Look at this place. This is cool. There's a lot of board games, some beach toys, some marbles, junk ball, play like the pro. That's a bold statement right there. These things are fun. Power poppers. There's checkers. There's chess. Street style. The essential juggler's toy. Alright, so we're at another beach. It's morning right now and it's low tide. There's some rocks and a big rock with cave. I wonder if we can get in that with our boots. Alright, so over here there's a big cave. This is cool. There's like rocks. Whoa. This is awesome. Look at this. This is a really big crevice. Alright, time to get down. Okay. Oh, heck yeah, boy. Look at that. That is great. There's like a fallen tree over there. Like a little pool of water here. Oh, we're taking a picture now. Alright, so we're back to here. Just like this nice little pool of water here. Oh, that goes deep. Don't go right there. This is very great. Let's go over this way. Dude, this is so cool.
It can be here like monkey thing or something.
It's like a brook over here.
That is awesome.
Dude, that is such a satisfying noise. I love this. I can be in the water without actually getting my feet wet or cold. Like, look at this. That's so cool. All right, so we're gonna go check out the caves. Look at that. That is great. The trees are all messed up. Okay, that is... Oh.
I found a discovery.
What is it?
Oh, wow. Let's jump down. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Dude, this is sick. It's a pretty skinny cave, but it's awesome. And then we see the light of day again. Oh my. Oh, there's another cave.
It might be a total fan, but yeah, it's so cool.
That is very cool. Whoa. Oh, that is so sick.
Come on, viewers, you're a fish now.
There. Oh, that is. Oh my gosh, there's like such big potato bugs in there. That freaked me out. I don't know what they are. Maybe they're cockroaches? Oh my gosh. This is insane. Oh, this is a big cave. There might be a bear in here. This is big. This is a big cave. What? What the heck? How do you think this tree got here? I'm gonna put my hood on. Was there something there?
There's something crawling towards me.
It's like a little bug.
What is it?
I don't know.
Video of it?
I'm videoing it right now. This cave is sick. What's that?
The mussels.
Oh, these are mussels? Whoa. That's so weird.
My body.
Dude, look at all these rocks. Oh, this is a cool cave. Look at all the mussels in here. Mom, look at all the mussels in this one.
God, we haven't even gone in yet.
Keep extending, but we can't get back there.
Go ahead, Flex. Put your life on the line.
Oh, there's the ocean. Look at that. This is insane. Look at that. That is so cool. Here we go. There's this giant sea anemone. Oh!
2, 1. Ah! Oh, ah!
Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. It's so amazing. It's just, oh. So nice. I love this. That is so cool. Maybe actually what I'll do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's so cool.
Did you see the rock man?
The Rock Man. What Rock Man?
That rock man.
That's funny. Alright.
We may have waited too long to come back. The tide definitely came in on accident.
Yeah.
Take your boot off. Take your boot off.
No, I don't want to.
It's full over here. Bend your knees.
Oh!
Oh, here.
Here, do the other one.
Hold on.
Here.
How much water do you have in your boots?
Let's
A
see.
lot.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh. Definitely waited too long. I'm gonna need to change my pants and my socks. This.
As a wise man once said, wherever you go, that's where you
Who said that?
Please be
go. A wise man.
Okay.
falling down. Lay down.
Why not?
Dude, what are these yellow flowers called?
Scotch brome.
No, it's not a desirable plant, at least for your yard.
Oh, okay. Look at that. That is, you just see so far. It looks farther with my GoPro because the view is just farther away. But look, there's a little, like, you can't even see the boat on my
See
GoPro.
where the sand like drops off.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
Getting shoes, boots. Here, do you want to come take a picture
Yes.
with me?
Yes.
Wow. That's beautiful. I love this.